You too. Hope you're okay. So, what I am going to share with you today is um, a bit of a yoga lesson. So, we're going to have a go at these different poses that you can see here. So, we've got a warrior pose. I'm not very good at yoga. I'm not gonna lie. So, you're probably better doing these by looking at the cards and maybe pausing the video so you can see the cards. I'll try upload these cards too, but just in case you can't, then this is how you can do it. So we've got a warrior pose. Should we try do that one first? I wonder if it'll be better. So it says we've got to stand with your feet wide apart, turn your left foot in and your right foot out at 90 degrees. So 90 degrees is like the angle like that. Okay, so let's have a go. So can you even see my feet? So you've got to stand with your feet wide apart, turn your left foot in and your right foot out. Oh, right, okay, yeah. So my left foot's going forward and my right foot is like this. Then it says, inhale and lift your arms parallel to the floor. So that's straight up against the floor. And inhale, take a deep breath in. Can you do that? And it says exhale, which is breathing out, and bend your right knee and be careful to not let your knee bend too far forward. So I'm bending it a little bit forward. I've got my arms parallel and I'm inhaling and I'm exhaling. So what we're doing next. Keep your torso, which is all your tummy here, all your tummy really tall, and your head, turn your head and look out over towards your fingertips like this. I quite like that one actually. I'm just moving this down so I can read it more. Inhale, straighten your legs and lower your arms and repeat on the opposite sides. Oh, so then you swap sides. So let's do it on the same side. So make sure my legs, one's forward, one's to the side. My arms are up parallel and I'm inhaling and I'm exhaling. Inhaling and I'm exhaling. And then swap. So I'm turning my feet, this foot to the side, my other foot's pointing in front now, and I am putting my arms up, my knees bent a little bit further forward actually, and I'm inhaling and I'm exhaling. Quite like that. That one's called the warrior pose. I'm gonna I might see if I can find some relaxing music actually. See if we can find some nice music to listen to whilst we do this, and I hope you can hear it and hear me at the same time. The next one we're going to do is called the chair pose. Okay, I'm gonna Google yoga music. Yoga music. Let's put some of that on. So this next one is called the chair pose. So it says we need to start in a mountain pose, exhale, so that's breathing out. So bend your knees as if you were sitting in a chair, reach your arms towards the ceiling with the palms facing each other. Hold this pose and breathe. Oh, this sounds like a good one. I'll turn the music up a little bit for this so we can get into this position. Let's try this one. So in a mountain pose. Now exhale and bend your knees. So bend the knees. Hands up and pretend I'm sitting down. And breathe in and out. can you hold that for? That hurts. My thighs here. Can you hold it for longer than that? Or try this like that. Oh, it says reach your hands towards the ceiling. I'm doing it wrong. Hands towards the ceiling, so right up. Oh, that's really hard. You're still doing it. Can you do it still? Well done. So this one strengthens the legs, stretches shoulders and the chest. Let's have a look at the next one. Oh, how many have we got? Oh, we've got 6. Let's have a look. Oh no, we haven't got 6, we've got 5. Let's do this one, the mountain pose. The benefits: it improves posture, strengthens core, muscles and legs. So it says here, stand tall with your weight balanced evenly on your feet. Firm your thigh muscles and pull in your tummy. Press your shoulders back and hold your arms out straight, just a little bit away from your body. Breathe deeply and hold for as long as you needed. At least 2 long breaths. So should we see if we can do that one now? Okay. So I got this one. You could maybe close your eyes as well for this one to really relax. So it's tall, balanced evenly on my feet. So I'm going to just widen my legs a little bit. Pull in your tummy, shoulders back, arms out, and your arms a little bit further away from your body. And then breathing nice and deeply. Oh, I like that one. So I'll look at the next one. Tree pose. This improves balance, strengthens your thighs, which are here. Your thighs are this top part of your leg here. Your ankles are here. Here are your ankles, side of your foot. Stretches the legs and chest and develops concentration. Oh, so begin in mountain pose. And I think here it said that mountain pose is like this, isn't it? So we start straight. Lift your right foot and turn your knee out. Place your foot below your left knee. Press your hands together. Raise arms overhead. Look up to your hands if you can. And return hands to the chest. And lower your right leg and repeat with the left leg. Okay. So, start here. Lift my right foot, turning my knee out. So right foot, turn my knee out and put my foot just below my knee. Okay, so I've done that. Ooh. Press my hands together and raise them above my head. I don't know if I'm going to be very good at this, you know. I'll try. Raise my hands above my head. And you hold that for a couple of seconds. So I count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then lower your hands down and swap legs. So put that leg down and put your left leg up. Put it on the inside of your knee so your knee needs to bend out. Oh, can't do that one as well. And then raise your hands all the way up. And this time I'm going to try to look up to my hands. But I find that a little bit tricky. Count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did it. I did it. Well done. So you can keep doing those pauses. So you can keep pausing this video and keep doing them if you want. Oh, we've got this one. Oh, I will not be good at this. But we always try to do things even if we don't think we're going to be very good at it, do we? Downward facing dog. So it says here that if you do this, it helps calm your mind, relieves stress, energizes the body, strengthens your arms and legs, stretches your upper body and lower body, and it can help with headaches and back pain and fatigue, which is like if you're feeling a bit tired. Okay, let me turn this down a little bit. Begin on hands and knees with toes tucked under. So you need to be on your hands and knees. So you're basically making your body look like this with your hands flat on the floor and your toes on the floor and your bottom in the air and your head facing down. Downward facing dog. Exhale, strengthen knees and lift hips so that you are in an upside down V. Can you see that boy's like a V there? Hold this position for as long as you can. Right. I'm not sure Mrs. Cockram's going to be able to do this, but I'll try. Okay, let me move this up here. Let's have a go doing this. Right. So I've got hands on the floor, feet on the floor, and I've got to straighten my legs and put my head down like this. Oh, I can do it, I think. And see how long I can do this for. Are you all doing it at home? Keep going. And you can do this for as long as you can do it for. Oh, I think I'm quite good at this actually. I can feel it stretching my legs now. I'm going to come down slowly. Okay, when you come down now, I'd like you to sit right back onto your feet and just stretch out your back. So put your hands right in front and stretch out your back. And I was like that, just for a couple of minutes. Well done, everybody. That was nice to do something a bit different, wasn't it? So you can do that video anytime because it'll be in your messages. It'd be good to take your shoes and socks off at the start as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. I like that. I think I'm going to try to do that a little bit more. I might try to do some yoga every day. Have a lovely day, everybody. See you later. Bye.